What's going on, people, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the air filter on a Toyota Yaris MK1. So first thing you want to do is pull the lever under here. You'll hear that click. After that, you want to go around and pull the lever for the bonnet, which is here. Once this is lifted up, put the catch on, and the air filter is located here. Now to take this off, you're going to need to remove these two clips. The tools you'll need are your hands, nothing else. It's a very simple, quick and easy job. So first unclip it here. You can already see this is loose. This doesn't have to be removed because all you have to do is pull the air box out, and the air filter is located here. You want to pull this out and put the new one in, which is something I don't have. As you can see, I may need a new one soon. When you're putting the new one in, you want to make sure it goes in this way around, not like this. So make sure it goes in like this. You might also want to clean out the box in here. You can also clean out in here. Give it a little clean. When you're fitting it back, make sure it's a tight fit. Clip these back into place, and that's a new air filter.